Deleted contacts on your iPhone? Here's how to recover deleted contacts in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, don't panic. Most deleted contacts can be recovered if they were backed up to iCloud, Gmail, or another account. Open Settings. Tap your Apple ID. Tap iCloud. Make sure Contacts is turned on. Open Safari and go to iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID. Tap Data Recovery, then Restore Contacts. Select a date before the contacts were deleted. Tap Restore and wait for confirmation. Go to Settings, Contacts, Accounts. Tap Gmail or another account. Make sure Contacts Sync is enabled. Your deleted contacts may reappear automatically. Turn contacts off, restart your iPhone, then turn contacts back on to refresh syncing. If contacts are still missing, you can restore an iCloud backup. This replaces current data, so only use this if you're sure. iCloud Backup Restore will erase current data. If contacts were never backed up, they cannot be recovered. To avoid this in the future, keep contacts sync enabled and use multiple backups. And that's it. That's how you recover deleted contacts on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.